This is my 04 STI. And if I pop the hood, this Cobb hot air intake is what I'm gonna be removing today. The reason I call this a hot air intake is it has a massive hole right here, which sucks all the hot engine air into the intake. And I'll try and give you an example of it right here. So let's just imagine for a second that this oven is your engine.
Imagination.
Let's open the hood, put in our cold air intake. In all reality, this is a really nice intake. There are better options out there, although this car is mostly stock, so we're gonna keep it that way. Get these bolts taken out. Unplug the MAF, undo this clamp on the intake. There is a couple bolts I need to take off. Here's that 10 mil I was gonna take out. There's also 10 mil up here. There's also a 12 mil right by the power steering reservoir. Just like that. This is strange. This is our replacement here. Picked this up off eBay. It's a little dirty, so I'm gonna get this cleaned up before I put it in. All right, now that I got both of those clean, let's get them over to the car and get them installed. Got my new hardware in. This thing's solid. Grab our filter. Boy, that's a snug fit. Pop on our clips. We got to put our MAF sensor back on. If you can't tell by my sweaty hands, it is really hot outside. This MAF sensor does have a seal around it. I would recommend replacing it. I do not have an extra one, so we will have to do that if it leaks. I just got to tighten this hose clamp. Plug in the MAF sensor here. I almost forgot the most important piece. I bought this brand new off eBay. Go clean this thing up. This car's changed a ton since we got it broken 6 months ago. There's still a lot left to do to get it to where I want. Although I have so many projects, it's hard to decide what gets done first. So make sure you got your notifications turned on, and we'll see you next time.